set up your After Effects document and show you some basic features in After Effects. Please use this for your class or for your session, just to get you started. Okay, so you've got your tools over here. So you got your type, you've got horizontal, vertical, you've got your pen tool, you've got your box tool, you've got your rotation tool, you've got your magnifying, your hand tool, and your move tool, and your home icon over here as well. Okay, so home icon lets you go to a new project, or you can go to File, New Project. Okay, so when you get a new project, you'll come up across this blank screen. So what you need to do is click on New Composition or New Composition from Footage. So if you've already filmed some stuff, you can literally click on that, find your sequences. So I've got a sequence here and a sequence here. So I can select these sequences. I can select multiple sequences by holding the Shift key and open those up. It will say sampling, single, multiple composition. I'm going to press OK because they're different file sizes. And what it will do is it will put it into your composition, like so. Okay, so it puts it direct in. So you can do that, or you can go New Composition, adjust the size and the file format. So you can have it Full HD, Ultra 4K HD, you can have it NTSC, or you can have it PAL. Okay, so if I scooch up, I'm going to put it on just custom. I'm going to call it Test 01. Okay, I'm going to call it Test 01, and I'm going to create that document, and it will automatically create that document. Then I can go File, Import, Import Files, and then I can bring in my files like this as well. So if I select that one, open that up, and again, it's put it here. So now I can select this in my assets, in my project assets over here, grab this and drop it into my timeline, which is over here. And if I play it, you can see this asset is very small in comparison to my, in terms of my canvas, but it is there. So I can play it now and it will do its thing. Okay, it's very short. It's only about 7 frames, which I exported in Photoshop as a GIF. I can right click it, I can go to timing, I can stretch the time maybe to 500, and that will give me a little bit more time, but my little animation will be a little bit more laggier. Okay, so I've got that. I can select to put it in the middle maybe. Now, when I've got that, then I can go here and go to transformation, and I can do a few things. So I can select this timeline, which is this, take it to the beginning, and go to rotate, and then move my playhead. So my playhead, not my timeline. That is my timeline. That's my playhead. My apologies. So you pull my playhead about there, and then I'm going to rotate this like so, and it'll automatically put a keyframe in. And I'm going to go a bit more forward, and again I'm going to change it the opposite way, and I'm going to do it one more time, and I'm going to do another keyframe. Now when I take my playhead right back to where I started, press my space bar, it will do this. Okay, so what I've added with these keyframes is motion. I've added motion into my sequence. I go to position, so again I might go here in the middle of that one, click on position, and maybe move this down here. Okay, and then pull my playhead out in between, move it again, and what it will do is it'll create a track. Okay, and then move it again, move my playhead again, and move it sort of kind of towards the opposite way. Okay, now what I've done is I've added motion and movement to it. Okay, I can duplicate this if I want to. So if I select this, Command CV, now one's placed on top of the other. So if I move this one over here, I have now 2 elements that are doing the same motion. Okay, I can adjust the motion. So if I zoom in, I can change this Bezier curve like so. So I'm having a different movement within my sequence. Okay, now what it does it to both, as you can see. So that is some basic transformation. You also got anchor point, position, scale. So if I go to scale, move this across about here, another keyframe there, move it across, scale this up maybe, sort of, so, oh, sorry, I'm on the wrong one. So if I go to position, pull it across, scale this up. So if I go to scale here, do that, and now it should do this. So you can see one slightly gets bigger. All right, guys, so that's your basic transformation position, scale, rotation, and opacity with keyframes that I've shown you. Use this for your lessons. You will need it for next lesson. Next one, I'll show you how to add color, overlays, gradients into this and make it a little bit more interesting. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.